one, again, pretty simple task here, but what I want to do first is I'm just going to say, you know, and this could be more complicated, you know, it could be, but it's just we want to keep this simple. We want to kind of go from basic to more advanced here. But on this one, I'm just going to say add a revenue column that multiplies units and unit price for each row and fill it down. Now, for those spreadsheet jockeys out there, you're like, why wouldn't you just plug in the formula and do it yourself? Well, we're trying to show a demo of how Copilot is far more capable today, just using natural language responses to go ahead and do various things on the spreadsheets in question. Okay, so there again, it took units times price and revenue. And then one thing I'm noticing is that I don't have dollar amounts for units and revenue. And I'm just going to say, make sure the prices and revenue are formatted in USD. Oops, better spell that correctly or I might get it wrong. And then I continue without saving. Okay, and then it should just go ahead and take the unit prices and revenue and format them as with US dollar. Okay, there you go, US dollars with cents. Okay, great. So another example, working in Excel.